Essential oils can be effective in relieving symptoms of trigger finger and aiding in the recovery process. Frankincense essential oil is known for treating pain and inflammation and can reduce inflammation in the tendon sheath. Lavender essential oil is popular for treating pain and inflammation, and when paired with peppermint essential oil, it provides relief from trigger finger symptoms. Peppermint essential oil contains menthol, which acts as a cooling agent and provides immediate pain relief by increasing blood flow and treating inflammation. Helichrysum essential oil has anti-inflammatory properties and may help reduce pain and inflammation in the finger. Trigger finger is a condition where one or more fingers get stuck in a bent position and can sometimes snap or pop when straightened. Repetitive gripping or forceful repetitive movements can cause inflammation in the tendons, narrowing the space that surrounds them. Peppermint essential oil is considered the strongest essential oil for pain relief due to its high percentage of menthol. Castor oil can be used to relieve soreness, pain, and inflammation in the joints and tendons when massaged into the affected area. Castor oil can also be used as a carrier oil when applying essential oils topically to treat trigger finger.